Where's our or?
Oh, her bib. I took it off for the car seat because I didn't want to strangle her. It's in the bag.
Grandma's sweetie. What do you got on your arms?
He's got hives, but it won't affect the baby.
Allergy.
Fix my nose. I'm in your yeah.
So tiny.
Now, does she lose weight? Don't they usually lose weight?
She lost 3 ounces as of when we left the hospital, but I don't know.
Okay.
That's silly.
No, it's not.
Say
A little bit.
Grandma,
It's
you're
my
making
head,
me look
Mom.
ridiculous. I want to see. Oh.
You can take it off. I just wanted to see what you look like.
My head's gotta get bigger.
She's so tiny.
She's a little squirrel.
How little you are. Look at the hairs.
I know. It's so cute.
I brushed her hair this morning.
Did you give her a bath again?
No. Put some lotion on her lips. Getting dry.
So how old is she today?
11 days.
You just keep falling.
That's right. Carry like a football.
Supposed to do what they do.
Carry like a football. Me too.
Like that? I gotta get my hand under here.
Yep. Jesus. That's how we do work.
Oh, little yawns.
Got wrinkles in her head.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
She won't move and then you're going to be sorry she squirmed. Looks my legs. My legs like to turn purple.
Turn purple.
Yeah.
She cuts off her circulation.
She cuts off her circulation for some reason. There you go, baby.
Now run for that.
She's gonna be a soccer player.
Look at her crib.
Oh. You do not come see her, Betty.
Yeah.
Don't drop her, Brian.
I won't.
Let's go sit down with her. Make me nervous.
They left me alone.
I don't know what to do.
Jackie's there.
I don't know what to do.
Huh?
She doesn't know. It's cute.
Isn't it cute?
Nice. I don't think we saw that one. Oh yeah.
Cute. Bring her blanket down so she can lie on there. Isn't it cute? All nice and soft. I want one of these blankets for me.